Today we're making a nocturnal flashlight drawing. You need a clear piece of paper, black piece of paper, white piece of paper, a pencil, and a Sharpie. So there's a white piece of paper and you can just start drawing on it in Sharpie immediately, or I like to do my sketch on the white piece of paper and pencil first in case I mess up. So it's a nocturnal landscape. So I'm gonna do trees. I have a big tree in the middle. In the background, I'm putting little trees. Remember, backgrounds, middle grounds, foreground. So I put grass underneath them. In the front, in the foreground, I'm gonna make a pond. Next, I'm gonna start to add my nocturnal animals. So here's my cute little raccoon. They're very cartoonish animals. They're not very realistic. Oh, I wanted to put like a log here. I put fish, an owl, a bat. Remember, if you draw over something, you can erase it and now it makes it look like the bat is in front. A hedgehog. I'm not gonna do a ton of details because I can do that on the plastic. So you're gonna put your white paper back in, make sure the open part is on the bottom. Open part on the bottom. Now you're going to trace every line that you made with a Sharpie. And now is the time, if you wanted to do something super duper detailed that you didn't feel like drawing twice, you can do that. So for example, I wanted to put these little marks on the trees. You don't have to do that on your white paper. You can do it directly on the clear paper. And what else can I add? Some more little leaves around the pond. Can't decide. I think I'm gonna look at the book again to get some ideas. I put a moon, more plants. I'm gonna put some rocks. You can add whatever you want to your nocturnal scene. All right, when you're done, you're gonna take out the white piece of paper. It's beautiful, but we don't need it. You're gonna put in the black piece of paper. You can either draw a flashlight or Miss Shirley already drew one for you. Some people like to color, you're gonna cut it out. Some people like to color the light part yellow. I started off with a colored pencil. I didn't really love how it was coming out and actually ripped my paper. So I'm gonna switch to a crayon. Looks way better. I would suggest crayon or marker. See, it ripped my flashlight. I'm just gonna tape it on the back. And now, are you ready to see the result? It's supposed to look like you're kind of lighting stuff up on your paper with the flashlight light. So cool. You can cut off the side if you want, that little white part. Ta-da!